So is it really possible to earn up to $50,000 a month online by just copying and pasting links? I'm going to show you right now. Hey, what's up? Anthony Morrison here, and welcome to a new video here on my channel where we talk about building businesses and how you as a beginner can make money on the internet. Today's topic is how to earn $50,000 a month copying and pasting links. Now, before you get all excited and think I'm about to show you a quick way to make money, listen, I'm going to show you a legitimate way to make money, but a lot of it is copying and pasting specific affiliate links, right? And so what I'm going to do is break it down for you, show you step by step how to do it. And listen, if you're new here and this is your first time on this channel, I want to thank you for being here. And listen, I just want to tell you, I created the channel to cut through all the noise, right? To cut through all the fluff. I do have to use things like this in order to get people to pay attention. But really what I'm teaching you is the fundamentals of building a business online, how to actually do it the right way. There's a right and a wrong way for everything in life, right? And what I see a lot of people finding on YouTube and all over the internet is people that are teaching that have never actually done it before. They've watched a video, they've memorized it, and now they regurgitate it. So they don't really know what they're teaching, and they don't know if it's even right or if it even works. I've been doing this for decades, literally, and I've got the gray hair to prove it there. And now I'm teaching and giving back to my students and my community here on YouTube, one training every day, sharing with you what really works. Strategies that you can actually implement, ways that you can actually put the final piece of the puzzle together so that you can succeed online. So if you love that and that's what you want to learn and you want to cut through the noise, click that subscribe button for me. Just click it and turn on notifications, and YouTube will let you know each time I put one of these videos up. That way you don't miss any of my training, okay? Now, how do you earn $50,000 a month copying and pasting links? Well, the first thing you need to do is you need to have affiliate links. Let's go to my computer. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So you need to have what we call affiliate. Okay, you need to have affiliate links. And this is basically just a tracking link. So we call it a tracking link. Okay, this is the link that you can use to refer somebody to other programs, okay? Other products or services. There's a ton of these, right? You've got Best Buy, Walmart, eBay, Amazon. All of them have affiliate programs, okay? Now, I'm going to introduce you to three in this video that are not these major crazy names like that, but I want you to understand affiliate marketing is not like a small thing. Amazon uses it. Go to their homepage right now, scroll to the bottom, you'll see a button that says affiliates, right? Tons of businesses use this. Now, what I'm going to do is introduce you to three unique ones. Let's go back to my computer. So you need to have affiliate links. So you're probably thinking to yourself, okay, which ones? All right. Well, the ones that I use are ClickFunnels. Okay. So I use ClickFunnels. This is a software. Okay. And I use GetResponse. Okay. This is a software. And I use something called Build Redirects. Okay, this again is a software. Okay, so what you're going to do in order to just copy and paste links and be able to generate revenue like this, okay, is the first thing we need to do is we need to figure out how do we get these links, right? So you'll see right here, this is my ClickFunnels account. You can see that they've paid me $2,919,000 in commissions here for generating revenue for ClickFunnels as an affiliate. You'll also see this is my GetResponse account. I've made $230,000. What I think is really unique about this and what you should be paying attention to is the recurring income. If you notice, it's recurring every single month, and you just see as I go through here, this is all of 21. It's just thousands of dollars, and it's every single month. You can see the graph is almost straight. It's very consistent income, and starting off 22, $9,600. You know, so I mean, same as December of 21. So the point is, very consistent income. But anytime you go into one of these platforms, okay, they'll have a thing that says statistics or something like that, and then it'll say affiliate link and campaigns, right? So all you've got to do is click on affiliate link, and what it's going to do, it's going to show you a lot of your different campaigns, the traffic you've generated, okay, all of these different things. It'll show you even where you're getting some of your clicks from, right? That's kind of the way that these things usually work. You can see promotional materials, right? This would be statistics if you used promotional materials. I don't really use their promotional materials. And then, of course, you have tools, right? And in the tools, you'll see things like text ads, where there's ads already written for you, right? So you can literally just copy and paste this code, and it puts this ad anywhere you want it to be. So it could be on a web page, it could be on a funnel page, it could be really anywhere. And as you can see, it's literally copy and paste. You legitimately just copy and paste, right? And it puts these anywhere you want. If you want it to talk about the 30 days of free access, look at this. 30 days free access to the all-in-one marketing platform. Copy. You just copy it and you paste it. And wherever you copy it, it's going to paste the link, and it's going to have your affiliate link tied into it. And that's the important thing, is tying in your affiliate link. Okay, so this is super, super important. You've seen my stats from these programs. I made $230,000 from this. I made $2.9 million from this one, and Build Redirects I've made millions from. So there's a lot of different platforms that you can then pull links from. My suggestion is I would use these three: ClickFunnels, GetResponse, and Build Redirects. Okay, so these are the three that I suggest that you use. This is just my suggestions, right? Now, part two of this is you have to look at the difference in somebody making one purchase and somebody making a lot of purchases. So how can we get people to purchase GetResponse, ClickFunnels, and Build Redirects all at one time, instead of using just one specific customer and sending them to all three of these different places and hoping we can get them to buy? How do we take one customer and get them to buy all three of these things, right? The way that we do that is through what we call ecosystems, okay? Ecosystems are places that you can send people that educate them on how to use multiple types of things, multiple things. So imagine if there was a training and education ecosystem that taught people how to use ClickFunnels, GetResponse, and Build Redirects. And in that ecosystem, you could place your affiliate links so that as somebody learns how to use ClickFunnels, they can click your link and buy it. As somebody learns how to use GetResponse, they can click your link and buy it. As somebody learns how to use Build Redirects, they can click your link and buy it. Think about that. That's an awesome way of generating revenue. We've built an ecosystem just like that for you. There's a link to it right under this video. You might have to click show more or see more or something like that, and you'll see partner with Anthony. This is the ecosystem I've built that does just that. All the revenue you've seen, or most all of it, that you've seen that I generated from these affiliate programs, I generated by taking my affiliate link and placing it into the Partner with Anthony ecosystem. That's it. And it worked phenomenally well for me. So what did I do? I started giving my ecosystem to other people, to students, to people just like you, that can now take my training and education ecosystem, plug your affiliate links in for these programs, and boom, just like that, you've now copied and pasted some links into an ecosystem that's already training, educating, and selling people. And you're now able to generate commissions from every single sale. And I don't make any money on that, by the way. You sell ClickFunnels, I make no money. You get a sale of GetResponse, I make no money, right? But I built the training ecosystem, and it works phenomenally well, as you can see. And now you get the opportunity to use it. Again, the link is right below. If you click that, there's a little, it'll show you all about the ecosystem and how it works. We even walk you through how to plug your affiliate links in, just like that. And you let the ecosystem do all of the selling for you. You don't have to do the selling, right? Most of the time, the problem with beginners is you don't know how to educate people on what they're buying. So then they never purchase, or if they purchase, they cancel. If you send people through an ecosystem that educates them, now people make educated purchases. When they do that, you get paid commissions and they stay on board, which means you get paid multiple recurring commissions. It's an amazing thing, right? And all of it is built in for you. The link is right below. Now, if you love this video and you love learning, okay, all right, affiliate links, recurring commissions, ecosystem to train people and get them to purchase these things because now they understand how to use them. Does it make sense? All of this makes sense to me. Man, I want to learn more from you, Anthony. Well, you can do that. All you got to do is click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. When you do that, you won't miss any of my further trainings. And of course, I'd love if you'd like this video. If you found value in this video, then like it, because that'll tell YouTube to share it with other people. And ultimately, that's what we really want, right? We want YouTube to share this video with others. And the third thing I want you to do is leave me a comment. Just leave me a comment and let me know what you thought about this. What do you think about ecosystems? What do you think about the fact you can copy and paste affiliate links into an ecosystem, and that ecosystem does the selling and the promotion and the training for you, right? It's pretty amazing, right? I mean, it's simplified building a business online so much more than it was 20 years ago when I got started. It's just crazy, right? What do you think about that? Leave me some comments. Engage with me. If you subscribe, like, and share, you'll be qualified and entered to win any of the number of prizes that we give away here randomly all the time on our channel. We do that for our subscribers, we do that for people that like our videos, and we do it for people that leave us comments. So do those three things, and then of course, make sure that you click that link below. Check out the Partner with Anthony ecosystem. Start using it for yourself, and I look forward to seeing you in my next affiliate marketing training.